Hi everybody, welcome back to my farmhouse sewing room. It's been a while since I've put a video out there for you, but I have a great project that I want to share with you all today. It's beginner friendly, and my niece Lexi is here and she wanted to make some bandanas for one of her teachers at school. So we come up with some patterns. These are very simple and I'm going to explain them to you. We made 3 different sizes and we named them. So this is for a small dog. And we call this the Sam Bam, after a dog we know. His name is Sammy. So this is for a littler dog, and they're already measured for seam allowances. We have a medium size. We call this one the Twinkle Toes, because that's what I call my Quincy. So we named this one the Twinkle Toes. And we have a bigger one for larger dogs, and we named this one the Millicent for Millie, whatever she is, but 3 different sizes, and we've already made one. This one is the medium size bandana, and these just slip right down the dog collar and they're reversible. So we have one here that Lexi made for Quincy, and we've got his collar on it, and you can see it's these cute little hearts and paws and things, and on the back side we have some cute little paw print for it. And the fabrics we picked up at Walmart. Most of them I found at Walmart, and you can find them at local Joann's. These were just little fat quarters that we found that were, you know, different prints of dogs. Oh, we have Millie's. This is the larger collar. This is Millie's. They're the Millicent. And we did a blue and purple, and then we did a purple and white polka dot on the back, which is really cute for her because she's a girl, but she's kind of a tom dog. So I have some hearts. I have Scooby-Doo because he is my favorite cartoon, and I did one for Derby and that print. There's some hearts, doggy sayings, dog bones, some different colorful dog sayings, and Lexi has quite a few of this, and these are just some cute little dogs that we kind of wanted to show you. And this fabric, I believe, is at Joann's. I had some of this before, but they're like little hand-drawn dogs, and they're really cutesy. The paw prints. And then I think this was the Valentine like doggy print. And this is one that I had in my stash. This one I call the Muddy Paws. This is a really fun one too for dogs. But you don't have to use fabrics that are in dog. You can do any fabric and any color, any design. And these are very versatile because even though we just started making these, I thought maybe you could put rickrack in the seams if you wanted to get creative, or you could put ruffles in there. These could be appliqued. You could embroider your dog's name on them. These are just really cool and very simple to make. So, and they slip on your dog's collar. So to make them, we put our pattern and we take 2 pieces of fabric, one for the back side and one for the front. And I've got a piece already here. I'm going to show you. And this fabric, we fold, and I made the folds on my little pattern. And these I just draw it out too. So you really could just make these in any size in the triangles and allow for your seam allowance. But we just played and make a couple different sizes. But I took the sides and we fold in the ends here because you don't want these raw edges to show. In the same way with the reverse fabric, we folded it in. So what we're going to do is we're going to stitch right over that fold and right across the top here. And then you're going to, we're going to draw a line from the bottom corner here to this bottom corner, and we're going to stitch across that, and then we're going to stitch straight down to the triangle shape and back up. And then what you'll do is you'll turn it through the hole in the side. It'll be like a little tube, and you'll pull it right side out. And then once you get it right side out, then you will stitch it across here, and then you can top stitch it down in the triangle. And then your doggy collar, as you can see here, this finished one, will slide right on. So Lexi here is going to demonstrate how to sew this together so you can actually see it done. It's very simple.
Hi, my name is Alexis, and this is my machine. It's a Brother LX3817A, and today I'm sewing a doggy bandana. As my Aunt Renee just said, we're going to sew a straight stitch just down this line, then we are going to cut our threads, and then we're going to sew all the way down here and then back up here. we are going to start flipping it through the holes that we left where the collar is going to go through. What I like to do is I like to stick my pointer finger down to the tip of it, grab it, and pull it through. And if it doesn't give you a hard time, it usually goes pretty easy. Now I'm going to take like a chopstick or like a dowel, put it through one of the holes down to the tip so it gives it more of a sharp edge. Now we are going to iron it. I'm using my Aunt Renee's Oliso iron. You got to make sure you get all your edges nice and like pressed out so you don't see any of the other color through the side you were ironing. So I can't see any pink through this black. Now we are going to draw a straight line across the tips where the color will go in. I have a ruler and a fabric marking pencil, and I'm just going to draw a straight line across. Now we are going to sew along the blue line that we just drew. Now we are going to pivot our needle, and then we're going to sew all the way down to the tip, pivot again, and then go straight back up. I ran out of bobbin thread. Some technical difficulties because I ran out of bobbin. Now I had to rewind another one, and now we're gonna pick up right where we left off. I'm gonna line my needle up, which I have already done, and I'm just gonna keep sewing. Make sure I'm catching that line that I ran out of bobbin on.
Your needle's not all the way up.
I like to talk about how it's optional to top stitch across the very top of the dog collar, the dog bandana. I did not on this one. Now I will show you how I thread that on. It's as simple as that.
Hey, so I hope you all enjoyed this tutorial of this simple dog bandana, and I hope this inspires a lot of young women out there to start sewing. Lexi is a beginner sewer, and she's really taken off on learning her machine and how to really sew really nice things. This is a really fun thing. If you would like to see more, you can follow me on my Instagram. I am under Broken Wing Sewing Creator. I am just a regular girl. I am not a professional. I stutter. I have a lot of really fun things to show you more of, so I hope you tune back into this channel. If you would please like and subscribe and join me for this journey, because I feel like I have a lot of interesting things to show you. So check it out.